Aphelile amahemhem, phelile ukuqagela. Njengamanje Ntokozo sila sizokhuluma ngeqiniso esilaziyo esilizwe straight from the horse's mouth njengoba kusho isingisi. Sikhuluma phela ngelineup yoKhozi FM. Finally iphumile kade sayilinda.
But yazi mina ngiyalithanda leli gama. Why singaba abafana bamahemhem?
Yithi labo sesibona.
Abafana bamahemhem.
Sesibona.
Ngoba amahemhem ethu ajwayele ukuthi abe yiqiniso.
Hawu impela ngabe uyasukela mawukuthi ububuka ama video ethu khuluma ngamahemhem okuningi kwakho. I would say over 80% and that distinction kube yiqiniso.
Yeah. By the way, we are recording by coincidence. Mina ngize la ngizolanda 1000 la. 1000 engizele la. Kodwa sathi ngoba sesindawonye sisale nje sesithi ukuyixoxa le yale lineup entsha. Kodwa into ebingilethela 1000.
Mawukuthi awazi ukhuluma ngani Ntokozo njengoba nje khuluma nge-1000. Mina naye sasithathe ibet. Wathi uNtokozo usigqemeza uyahamba uKhozi FM. Hayi ngamphikisi. Ngashaya phansi ngonyawo ngathi akahambi. Wathi okay, noma akulungile akahamba uKhozi kodwa ngeke asaba ingxenye on air lineup. Ekushiswa lokho ukuthi ubengekho kwi lineup or rather wayengeyona ingxenye yababeshutha ikhalenda lokho.
Yes.
Hayi saphikisana saze sabheja. Wathi uNtokozo 1000 rand phansi savumelana. Ngathi mina uyabuya usigqemeza. Ngenza ukuthi ngiyakayenza breakfast show kodwa uyabuya uKhozini. Wathi uNtokozo ngeke abuye. Kunjani makunje?
Itawu liza kumina itawu. So I'm excited kade ngithola ama inbox la. Athi wadla. Wadla Ntokozo. Nawe ngiyazi ukuthi abanye bakhalela lapho kuma inbox akho uthi shame man.
Ningi imibuzo engibuzwa yona kodwa bayibuzise ngathi abazi.
Bathi
ubani othola itawu?
Yeah.
Bazi kahle ukuthi liyakuwena.
Lana ke kwi PRS sisanda kuhola so lamhla 25 so alize kimi itawu.
Yabona ngoba vele imali isihlala emafonini. Masiqeda nje izobe siyakhala lapha efonini yakho.
Yeah. Mawubathanda abafana bamahemhem, i-podcast radio and stuff. Kamala le podcast, please ungakhohlwa ukuthi usubscribe. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi ulike le video, ungakhohlwa ukuthi ucomment. But sithanda kakhulu ukuthi usubscribe, it's for free, awukhokhi imali. Futhi please uyisharishe le podcast with bonke abangani bakho bakawazi ukuthi bayibuke. Asingene kuyona mfethu le lineup.
100% amdebe yokhuluse his Ntokozo Chapa uKhozi FM lishintshile lineup yalo entsha asiqale lapha ekseni la ngicabanga ukuthi ikhona la kube khona nama changes amakhulu namaningi. Ekseni ibreakfast show bikade yenziwa uMroza noSigqemeza. So amahemhem ebesivele sikhuluma ngawo la kwi podcast radio and stuff. Abethi uVim Thembu ozohamba ayokwenza ibreakfast show uSigqemeza uyaphuma oKhozini. Na kanjalo kube iqiniso. uVim Thembu uyena osenza ibreakfast show yoKhozi kodwa akahambi yedwa uhamba noMroza bese kuba khona abanye abasha futhi ekuClarissa. Uzomkhumula uClarissa ukuthi uke waba soKhozini ngosiyayijika lento. Bese kuba uSimthodladla. uSimthodladla uzokwenza isport. uSimthosi mazo kwi lineup ekwiGagasi FM.
Yes.
Gagasi limemezela ilineup yalo ubengekho uSimthodladla. Abamthandayo baphatheka kabi. Kodwa ke sesiyezwa manje uzovumbuka kwi lineup yoKhozi FM kwi breakfast show enza isports lapha ekseni.
Yeah, kunento kabisa ebizwa ngokuthi engine overhaul. Yabo? Imoto yakho mangabe nje engine isikhombisa ungabi namandla mase kuthiwa enza i-engine overhaul. Ngokwami lapha i-management yoKhozi kwi-breakfast show yenze i-breakfast show overhaul. Because mawenza i-engine overhaul akusho ukuthi uzokulahla konke okunye uzokusebenzisa. But usuke usulanda okuningi okusha. Ngoba i-breakfast show kuzoba i-breakfast show entsha nje kusukela ngomhla ka1 ngoLesithathu. Njengoba usubabalile. uSphongo Dladla obe yi-technical producer akasekho. Kwezemidlalo kuza i-voice entsha in uSimthodladla. I-traffic Ayanda Mswela akasekho. Kuzoba khona uNomfundo Clarissa esimazi kakhulu from iGagasi FM. Simazi career yakhe iqala kwi-Inanda FM to iGagasi FM now to Khozi FM. Kuzobe kukhona uVim Thembu siyamazi with imizwilili on TV. siyamazi kwi-drive ye-Jozi FM. Then they still have Rosa Buthelezi, who has been with Ukhozi FM isikhathi eside, but it is a new show. The only part enginganayisho ngayo is a content producer. Ukuthi, is it going to be a new content producer or an old content producer? So it is a completely new show, according to me. But I'm just hoping for one thing. I'm just hoping ukuthi ne feel esizoyithola ye show izozwakala ukuthi show yentsha. Ama sound esizobe siwezwa. So technical producer wakho une challenge yokuthi asinikeze i-sound entsha. Kuzwakala ukuthi lolu uhlelo olusha. Yes, igama lingaqhubeka, but i-sound bite introducer i-traffic iyazwakala yini ukuthi uhlelo olusha lolu. I-sound bite introducer zemidlalo, ama intro jingles, all of those things, ama promo jingles akhona azwakalisa ukuthi sekuhlelo olusha, because lezo zinto ziyapenda nesithombe emqondweni womlaleli ukuthi ngilalela uhlelo olusha.
100%. And ukuvumelana nawe why kubalekile Ntokozo lento oyishoyo ukuthi yenzeke. Ingoba yazi ushintsho olwenzeka kwi-breakfast show yoKhozi. Bengalindele kubungibuza unyaka odlula ukuthi kuzoshintshwa yini, bengeke ngitshela ukuthi kuzoshintshwa. Kodwa ngoba sekushintshiwe, I get it. It makes sense for me. Ngoba masikhuluma iqiniso, Rosa noSigqemeza are extremely talented people. Bebengeke bahlale emsakazweni for this long if they were not talented.
Definitely.
Kodwa i-breakfast show yoKhozi, was it competitive enough uma ngabe uyiqhathanisa namanye ama-breakfast shows akhona? Ngiyazi ukuthi izinkumbi zabantu ebeyilalela uKhozi, beyivuka ilalela uKhozi, millions of people bebechoose uKhozi. But mina njengomuntu olalela imsakazo ehlukahlukene, bengilalela uKhozi, ngishintshe ngilalele iGagas, ngishintshe ngilalele iMetro, ngishintshe ngilalele uAnele in Joburg on 94.7. Every time mabe ngilalela uKhozi, while I acknowledge italente laSigqemeza noMroza, bengiba nesense yokuthi something is missing. Something needs to change. I didn't know what was something. Ngoba bengafikela ukuthi abasakazi. But I just got a sense ukuthi there's something that is needed to make the show competitive enough with other breakfast shows that are out there. So ukufika kavi nawo wonke ama-voice amasha lawa afikile ku-breakfast show yoKhozi, ngiyathemba ukuthi there is the something that was missing. I-breakfast show yoKhozi, hopefully it's good for radio uma ngabe kuwukuthi uFelix is giving a run for his money, you know, in the morning like KZN.
Yes.
Kube ukuthi abantu abazi balaleleni phakathi kwe-breakfast show yoKhozi noFelix.
Yes.
So I really hope ukuthi that's what's going to happen. Njengamanje i-breakfast show kaV noMroza izosinika leyo headache. And uV sike sakhuluma ukuthi akujwayelekile ukuthi umsakazi asuke kwi-community radio aye straight kwi-breakfast show yoKhozi, i-platform enkulu kangaka. Kwi-recording esiyenzile Ntokozo uthe it could be a career suicide, or it could be, what was the other word that you used?
Exploder in a good way.
In a good way.
A good explosion.
Fast track his career.
Yeah, fast track his career.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it could be. I hope it's that. It's the latter. Because uma ngabe kuwukuthi, you know, akaqinile ngoba phela abalaleli boKhozi, it's a big platform. Ungenza kahle kwi-community radio, kodwa abalaleli boKhozi udinga ubajwayela. That's why abantu abaningi bejwayela ukuqala nge-weekend or ebusuku ngaphambi kokuthi umuntu ayokwenza i-breakfast show. Ukusuka nje kwi-community radio uye kwi-breakfast show, that's a big jump. Kodwa ke ngoba uV i-media into ayijwayele, asithembe ukuthi he'll make this a success and the show will be the biggest. We wish them as a team all the best. I don't know if you've got anything else.
Yeah, well, we would love to have you on PRS.
Yes,
we'd love to have you here and let's talk about these things. You know,
Yes.
We're just talking radio. Yeah, we'd love to have him.
Yeah,
Definitely.
and I mean we're happy for him, but it's ukhozi.
It's a big thing.
Breakfast show. the big one.
Yeah.
Usigqemeza uyibekile into kwebandla but you've done radio for years. So thank you for memories and everything that you've done for us as radio lovers.
Yeah, definitely. Peace out. And then we go to 9 to 12.
Mhm.
According to me, 9 to 12, there are no changes. There's just a twist on a Friday. What Ukhozi now is doing, kuzoba no Tutukhoza ngomsombuluko kuya kulwesine. Then ngolwesihlanu akuzoba khona uTutukhoza, kuzoba khona omunye umsakazi. So isho ukuthi uTutukhoza usezongena izinsuku eziwu4. So kusha ke lokhu kuKhozi. Kodwa angikusho lokhu. Mina ngizithole ngiba confused. Ngoba ukushilo uNdosi, programs manager emoyeni ekhuluma noTshatha ukuthi u9 to 12 uyabuya uDudukhoza kwashawa ihlombe, wayesethi kodwa kunoshintsho oluzoba khona oluncane khona laphayana abasazolichaza, kodwa kalichazanga emoyeni. Kodwa ke mase sibuka i-published lineup yoKhozi, ngizibuzile ukuthi kune mistake yini. Ngiye ngayibona lolu shintsho alishiya ukuthi ngolesihlanu akekho uDudukhoza. Ngidideka kuphi? Kuvele amagama awu2. Kuvele igama lika Thembeka Zondo Cele, kwase kuvela igama lika Mroza Buthelezi. Ingidida kuphi? uThembeka phakathi nezinsuku alukho olunye uhlelo engimbona kulona, futhi angikhumbuli lukhona uhlelo analo. But uMroza ukuhlelo lasekuseni breakfast show as a host, because bahosta bobabili no V, not as a contributor. So mengabe sephinde vela ngolesihlanu kuthiwa Mroza stroke Thembeka, understanding what do they mean. Do they mean ngelinye ilanga sizozwa uMroza, ngelinye ilanga sizwe uThembeka? Now if kunjalo, how is that going to work? Inyanga asilinganise inabo Friday abawu4. Is it going to be 2 Fridays for the other one and 2 Fridays for the other one? Izosebenza kanjani? Then mangabe isebenza kanjalo, ithini ngomroza kwi-breakfast show? Angithi uMroza uyi-host kwi-breakfast show. So uMroza uzofike angene aphume ngo9, mase yaqhubeka bahambe laba be-team yasekuseni asale yena aqhubeke nohlelo. Yabo, imini openda lama scenarios, yabo, ngize ngathi no mhlambe kune printing error. I don't know, am I crazy?
I don't think it was a printing error. One, ngoba i-lineup njengoba ikhishiwe, ngicabanga ukuthi idlule ezandleni eziningi. Ya-approvwa. It's an SABC Ukhozi FM, it's a big organization. You can't just take something to public ngephutha. So I don't think it's a printing error. I think it was intentional. But it's confusing. You're not crazy. It is confusing. I'm so lost. Because nami I'm playing different scenarios in my mind. Njengoba nje na usho kade washo in one of the scenarios nginokuthi hayi mhlambe uMroza mangabe ezongena ngolesihlanu uV uzolibamba yedwa uhlelo. Bese uMroza ke fika yena azongena ngo9 to 12. But why would you do that? I don't get it. I'm so confused. Thembeka Zondo, I get it. I think mawukuthi uyena uMroza noThembeka Zondo, I think Ukhozi selba identifyile ukuthi between these two ibona abantu esingaqala si planning around them in terms of succession planning, ukuthi makufika isikhathi sokuthi uMamdudu akasekho available ukwenza u9 to 12, bakhona abantu abaready nabalaleli asebebajwayele, they are warming them up to abalaleli. It's a transition to ukuthi mhla uLady D engekho available eqhubeka nohlelo, bakhona abantu asabaziwa abalaleli noJabula uJule asebewazi. Kodwa ke ukuthi kuzokwenzeka kanjani kuMroza, I'm so confused. I'm lost. I think we need to reach out to the SABC or Ukhozi FM ukuze uthi what is their plan ngoMroza ngale show ya Friday. It's confusing.
Definitely.
Mhlambe obukayo une idea, ungasitshela lapha ama comment section. Siyawafunda ama comments like siyaphendula futhi. Masingaphendulanga siya like 100% likes, walike wonke ukukhombisa ukuthi sifundile. Ungasichazela ukuthi wena ubona uzosebenza kanjani uMroza ekuseni aphinde azongena 9 to 12, uzosebenza 6 hours. I don't know.
Okay, yeah. Then the big one for me is 12 to 3. It's a big show, 12 to 3. It's a very, very big show on all radio stations. In fact, kune-interview ebesikade sinayo with umsakazo ohlonishwayo kakhulu eSouth Africa esingakayikhiphi. So, sagcina sesithinta ngo-12 to 3 that were powerful, such as Kenny Maestri on Metro FM, Fat Joe on Metro FM, you know. So those were big shows on Metro FM. Masiya kulona nje Ukhozi 12 to 3 kaBongi Gumbi, BG. 12 to 3 kaLucky Sfatha, Nethezeka noKhozi FM, if I remember well. Yes. Nethezeka noKhozi FM. The fact that I remember the name, it shows you how big that show was. Oshenge bengene mina, uSibu Buthelezi benomroza Buthelezi. It was a big show. Siya Mhlongo on that show. It was a big show. Siya Mhlongo benosel Beyonce on that show. It was a big show. I remember once Siya Mhlongo kept me in suspense for the whole show ezoba ne-announcement enkulu azoyenza. Angizange ngiphume eradweni wasesitshela ukuthi befuna ukusitshela ukuthi iwayini uyaliphuza.
Yes.
You know,
I remember that.
But now let's come to the change. Nge-era kaKing Sifiso noMroza, because ama-shows aba ne-era. Lela hlelo abalaleli ebengibabona kwi-feed yami.
noMroza.
Sorry.
No,
King Sifiso noZimdola.
Yes.
Excuse me. Thank you for correction. So, King Sifiso noZimdola. Now, remember, Tina, asinawo nayo i-view ye-background information in terms of numbers. So, that is why ngiba careful ukuthi, according to i-feed yami ku-Facebook, abalaleli bebebuka ingazuthi banokungalithokozeli. Njalo mangabe ngibuka ama-comments abo, belihlezi litholela nje ukugxekwa. You understand? So what the change that has taken place, I somehow saw it coming. I mean, I did see it coming, but I just thought ukuthi kuzoba ukinishana.
Ngoba
amahemhem abesho njalo. Boom! Umfana omncane besingamnakile. Obekade enza i-weekend breakfast ne-shutdown yomhlaba ku-Gagasi FM, u-DJ Spay Live, uyena oyongena lapha ku-12 to 3. Bazoqhubeka babambisane noZimdola. Now that I'm excited about it. Congratulations to DJ Spay. Congratulations to uZimdola for ukuthi uyabuya again this season kuleya show. So I look forward to that show. Now these are both very strong character, because Zimdola is a very strong character. Now we are yet to see ukuthi izobe ithini chemistry phakathi kwabo mesebese studio.
Yeah, I concur with everything that you said. I think the only thing that is left for me to say on this one is congratulations to Spay Live. I'm so happy for you. We know Spay Live, Ekala, with Vibe FM, community radio, and at some stage you guys worked together. I wasn't at Vibe FM at that time, so I didn't get to work with Spay. But he started at Vibe FM, then he moved on to Gagasi FM, stayed with the Gagasi FM for years. Ukumbona ethola le opportunity yokuba Sokhosini FM. Besikade siphatheke kabi. Bengikade, I remember ngicommente ku-status sakhe, I was hurt ngokuthi uyahamba kwiGagasi FM ngoba ngokwethu ngaleso sikhathi besingazi ukuthi uzovumbuka okhosini FM. Besiphathwe kabi ukuthi ulahlekelwe umsebenzi, uyawuthanda i-radio. We know how much he loves radio. His radio itself. So ukumuzwa evumbuka okhosini FM, it's heartwarming. So congratulations to Spay Live. We wish you all the best kanye no Zimdola. Asike siboneke ukuthi ngabe uhlelo luzo abantu bazokwazi ukuthokosela noma ukuthakasela ngoba nje umuntu okwazi kade esho ukuthi ku social media besihlala sibona abantu bekhala. So siyathemba ukuthi nizokwenza izibukwayo lapha ku 12 to 3 yoKhosi FM.
Definitely. Ukhosi FM's drive.
Yeah.
Historically, this has been Ukhosi FM's biggest show.
Yes.
You know, I know ukuthi ama radio station amaningi, i-breakfast show is always the biggest. But mawuzo buka ngokomlando wokhozi, i-drive yabo from uKansas City, Mchunu, when he left Mandla
Mandla
Malakwane,
yes.
after Mandla Malakwane left Linda Sbiya, you know, so ngo mina from where I'm seated Maune institutional memory yokhozi ishow abeyade ikuyiyona ebihlezi izohamba phambili ngokuthandwa abantu was iDrive yokhozi. Now the Drive yenziwa uTshatha kule season esivalayo. Now utholelwe upartner in uSithandwa Nzuza. Yes, I was thinking
Yes.
in uSithandwa Nzuza. To me, it didn't come as a surprise. I bumped into uSithandwa, by the way, at a mall. Ngambongela ukuthi wenza kahle kakhulu kwi-Drive nge-festive season. She was excited about it. I am excited for Sithandwa Nzuza. We saw it coming. Simbonile ehlukanisa unyaka ku-2025, 2026. So abaphathi bakhe bebekhombisa ukuthi bayakholelwa kuyena. And now she's been given the opportunity. But the biggest challenge starts now for her. Ukuthi ke bazolithatha lo lahlelo bebamisene noTshatha bayolibeka kuliphi izinga. Because all we want to see is sifuna ukubona uhlelo olutrend ngokulimi lamanje. We want the show to be on people's lips. Ukhozi is a huge brand. So if you are sitting in that seat, we need to see the show going to the next level.
Yeah, 100%. When Usel Beyonce left iDrive Yokhozi, when you and I were talking, ukuthi ubani ongathatha over leya show, I didn't have to think twice. I said Sithandwa Nzuza. To me, it just made sense. Uthe uma ngabe uSithandwa Nzuza sebehlukanisa unyaka noTshatha. It made even more sense. So right now, it was like, it's a no-brainer. It's something that ebekuvele kumele yenzeke. Uma ngabe ubuka italent elingaphakathi kwi-stage. It just came as no surprise. So yeah, I really, really wish them well. Asikubone ukuthi bazoyithatha iDrive Yokhozi bayibeke kuyiphi level. There's nothing that I can add kulokho, because yes, it's a big show, and njengoba nje ushilo ukuthi iDrive Yokhozi historically is the biggest show. Kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi lokho kuhambe kwahamba kwashintsha when kufika DJ Sbu. I think that's when they were trying to make it breakfast to be the biggest show.
To compete in a breakfast.
Yes. Even when Linda Sbiya moved from the Drive to a breakfast show, there was another signal.
Yes, there is
that shift. So, but let's hope Sithandwa no Tjatha bazolwa ne breakfast, healthy competition. Bazolwa ne breakfast in terms of ukuthi this is the show. Ngokuthi ama advertisers afuna ukuza kubona, ngokuthi abalaleli balalele bona, you know, having bigger numbers. So hopefully in a breakfast show that will be pulling a big fight, because that's what you want. You want a strong breakfast show, you want a strong Drive. Abalaleli bayithanda zombili lezi inhlelo kube ukuthi ziyacompete, healthy competition within the station. So all the best to Sithandwa kanye noTshatha uGodo.
Definitely. Then let's jump. Let's go to because abasiki bebunda, we know emva kwaloko ezemidlalo noVictor Mlief kube uNkosinathi Mshengu. There's no change there.
Yeah.
I-change yenzeka lapha kusukela ngo-10 kuya ku-midnight. Yeah. So what Ukhozi is now introducing laphaya is something, according to me, engithe mangabe ngiyilalela ngayi-understanda kahle kakhulu ukuthi what they want to do laphaya. So they are now going to be having ama-shows azokwenziwa abasakazi abahlukahlukene on different days. So kuzoba nomunye umsakazi ngoMonday, omunye Tuesday, Wednesday, all the way to Friday. Kuzobe kwama-musical shows, kodwa azobe enza ama-different genres of music. Yabona nje mangabe ngibuka kuzoba khona uBingelela Mpanza on a Monday. Mase kuthi on a Tuesday kube khona uSimphiwe Sibiya. Mase kuthi Wednesday kube khona uNeliswa Mhlongo, uLihlophe uzongena ngo-Thursday, Friday kungene uMafresh. Azange awasho ulango ukuthi what type of music, but I can see ukuthi Friday kuzobe kuyi-dance music. Ngisayibuka.
Yes.
I can see Thursday ukuthi kuzobe kuyi hip hop.
Hip-hop, yes.
Mina ngisayibuka, I understand. Kusphiwe, I can
R&B,
see kuzobe
slow
kuyi
jam.
R&B, slow jam. We understand. I might be incorrect, but ngiyabona kubingelela mhlambe kuyimculo onjengo Statamia or Afro jazz.
Yeah.
But yeah, but remember ke la sengena kulento yethu abafana bamahemhem. But ngiyayibuka and already mina ngiyayipictureisha ukuthi oh okay, this is the direction that they are going to.
Yeah, no, as uba mention nami in my mind bengilo ngibona ukuthi okay ayishuthi la usibanibani uzobenza le show because uyabazi abantu umhlobo lomculo abawaziyo nabawudlalayo. Kodwa okunye, yes, I'm happy with that slot, but also it gives opportunity kubasakazi. Mawubabuka bonke labo basakazi basha. So I think they are getting an opportunity to be on air, and it's not too late, so it really is exciting. I think it's a good thing for them. For instance, I know it's PSB on a show food. But this is the earliest show abanayo Okhosini ngoba ishow abeyenza ibingena ngo-3 to 6 on Sundays. Icebo lakhe. So njengamanje this is the earliest show azoyenza, well nenye ke futhi asazoyenza on Sunday. So really happy for them. I think it's a beautiful slot. And mawukuthi unohlobo lomculo oluthandayo, usuyazi ukuthi I think these slots work ngoba uma bekuwukuthi uthanda, let's say mhlawumbe khona umbhaqanga
noma
reggae, yes, and ayidlalwa ngekhathi ezinormal, kodwa uzosetha i-alarm mabuwazi ukuthi on Thursdays i-reggae yona edlalwayo. So I think it works. It's a good strategy. You did mention when we were talking of air ukuthi igagasi lake laba ne strategy esinjalo ukuthi le show siyenze ohizi manje after 8 since after 8 igagasi ladlala ama genres ahlukahlukene. It's the same strategy that Ukhozi is employing them.
Yeah. And then another change engiyithandile aqhamuke nayo uNdosi. Angimazi bese neminyaka emingaki kwi-East Coast esebenza khona, but i-strategy lesi engisikhumbula kahle kakhulu kwi-East Coast, even abantu abanjengo Archie Majola, that's how they were introduced to East Coast. Baningi abasakazi be-East Coast aba-introducewa kwi-East Coast babengasifihli nje, sasibizwa ngokuthi trainee jock slot, la bekungena khona abantu abasama-trainee. So mina ngithe mangisibuka ngayibona i-vision ukuthi oh okay, so he has reserved lesi slot for abantu asafuna ukuthi baziprove, and kuzoba ipool yakhe yokubheka abantu asebe-capable ukubamba ama-shows athile. Akekho uma-fresh on Saturday for i-top 20 uyakwazi ukulanda laphana umuntu ayobamba i-top 20. Akekho usibanibani kwi-number uyothatha lapho uyobamba i-number kanjalo. So kuzoba ne-slot esu-3 to 6. And mawubuka abasakazi bakhona, that is where you see ukuthi this is a trainee jock slot. So ama-radio stations amakhulu akayithi kokunye mebona i-potential kumuntu okwi-community radio, but akakabi exposed. Umuntu okwi-community radio ziningi izinto asuke engakabi exposed kuzona. Ngenze example, umuntu okwi-community radio udlala ingoma ayithandayo most of the time. Udlala ingoma ayithandwa inhliziyo yakhe. Ufika nemusic wakhe ayidlalela, abanye bafika nanamafoni. That's what people don't know. But when you go to i-commercial ne-PBS, usuzofunda ke manje ukuthi ayikho leyo. I-playlist ifikisila wena ufika ne-voice. You've got no control with-playlist. You've got to be prepared for those things.
Yeah.
Umuntu okwi-community radio doesn't know ukuthi kuma-bigger stations, kuma-community radio, ubuka iphepha udlala i-advert, ubuka iphepha udlala i-advert. Yes, ngiyazi ukuthi amanyana ama-systems are-advanced, but kwi-mainstream or kuma-PBS nama-commercial, i-advert counts you down, and if you don't stop talking, then it cuts you. Izongena ikuvale. We understand? So these are the slots where people get to be trained. Yabo. So kulama slot sibonile ngo Monday kuzongena 3 to 6 ekseni. Kuzongena umsizi Maphumulo. Right? Mase kuthi ngo Tuesday
12 to 3. Is it 3 to 6 or 12 to 3?
It's 12 to 3,
12
sorry.
to 3.
12 to 3 in the morning.
Yeah.
12 to 3 ekseni. Kuzongena umsizi Maphumulo Monday. Tuesday kuzongena uNozipho Zulu. Mase kuthi ngo Wednesday kuzongena Umhlali Khanyile, Thursday kuzongena uLonda Mbatha, Friday kuzongena uLindo Kuhle Ntombela, mase kuthi yeah, so azoma kanjalo ya Friday kuzoba uLindo Kuhle Mbatha. So ami kanjalo ke lama slots ngiwathandile. I think it's a good idea.
Yeah, no, it's a beautiful slot and it excites me.
Yes.
Ngoba mawubuka abantu abazowenza lawo ma slots, abantu abanye baba baphuma ama community radio.
Yes.
Nje abawu2 engibazi kahle, uMsizi, ubekade ekwinanda FM. I remember insizwa kade ike yangimeme insukwini I had an interview with him. So I'm really happy for uMsizi ngokuthola lethuba. It's always a good thing ukuzwa abasakazi bakuma community radio bethola ithuba lokuya kwi mainstream media, especially PBS efana noKhozi. Also, you also mentioned Khanyile from Izwi Lomzansi.
Yes.
Ubekade enza i-breakfast la Saturday breakfast kwizwi Lomzansi.
Yeah.
Naye futhi uzozwakala khona insizwa yangapha eNkandla. Nayo futhi uLindo, I think. Nayo uzozwakala kusona leslot. So it's absolutely beautiful. It gives abasakazi bama community radio experience, umuntu akwazi futhi ukuyibonakalisa ukuthi use ready ukuthi angaphuma kwi trainee slot ahambe ayokwenza ishow yakhe yedwa. Into enhle eyenziwe uKhozi while we talk about this trainee slot ukuthi yabo Owini Mahlangu almost bonke, uBingelela, uZama Mseleku, uSphiwe Sibiya, uMazulu Ozulayo, bonke banama shows wabo and asemini angeyikhathi zasemini, which is beautiful. Okukhombisa ukuthi bayakholela kwitalente labo and bayabaniki opportunity yokuthi bayiprove. So that is absolutely amazing. They are not going out there only to get people asebe ready ukuthi benza ama shows asemini, but nabantu abangene benganayo experience babaniki experience, bayaba promoter ukuthi you've served ebusuku, you've done your time, usungahamba futhi uyokwenza nohlelo lwasemini. So that is absolutely beautiful.
Yeah. And then are we ready to go to the weekend?
I'm ready to go to the weekend.
Okay. Yeah. I can't wait
for the weekend to begin.
Yeah. And the weekend, on midnight to 3 on a Saturday, shuthi mangabe nje uqala Saturday, Nomfundo Clarissa, she's got a slot on her own. So she's gonna be there on the breakfast show.
Yes.
Monday to Friday. Then uzofika ngoMgqibelo esezoziveza ke esakaza. I think it's a very good strategy esenziwe uKhozi. Why do I think it's a good strategy? uNomfundo une-experience ye-radio emini.
Yes.
From Inanda FM to iGagasi FM. With iGagasi FM, she's done 9 to 12. With iGagasi FM, usebenzile nama Kings of the Weekend. We drive. So une-experience yokusebenza emini. But bam-introducer nge-traffic. Para bamvalele ekopini lapho.
Usuzokwenza traffic ke
futhi ayokwazi ukuthola lapho khona interact khona nabalaleli boKhozi. Akabe nalapho khona azo interactor nabalaleli. Azi ukuthi okay. Uyangifaka manje.
Ngizokutotosa.
Phumile. Hey, lo siyaqala ukufaka ama-record. Yeah. So uzohamba ayokwenza uhlelo lakhe oline hot clock yakhe, interact nabalaleli, abalaleli ba understand ubiyena. And I do believe ukuthi give her a couple of years, she's going to be having more slots, even a slot during the day. I believe in her talent. It's because I know her history. Yeah.
Clarissa.
Yeah.
I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy, so excited. I know you're gonna do wonders. Simzwile kusiyajika lento. Abaningi abavelile la, uKhanyile, wait, please
Ngisaqhubeka nabo.
I know, but can you please go back to that 12, I'm sorry, 12 to 1, 12 to 3 slots. Sorry. I think only me mistake ngiyenzile Japa. Just 1 second. 12 to 3. So sithe okay umsizi maphumulo yes ukhanyile umhlali khanyile ubekhona kusiyajika lento sorry nayo Clarissa there no can go back nayo Clarissa ubekhona siyajika nabanye abaningi esazokufika kubona simthande bebe siyajika lento so simzwile Clarissa she's amazing so happy so excited siyambongela we share all the best
and then 3 to 5 should immediately mephuma uClarissa ngomgqibelo kuzongena uNeliswa Mhlongo 3 to 5 all right
so that's exciting for her I think it's just a great opportunity all the best to her
olunye ley'nhlelo ey'thandwa kakhulu okhosini abantu abaningi abangalinaki luyathandwa linabalandeli ilo lolungena ngomgqibelo ekuseni u7 to 9 ezemshado kube nenkonzo yamaNazaretha it's more of a magazine show kuzongena ke lapho umsizi maphumulo beyamisana noZamazama Magic uZama Mseliku
yes again uyabuya umsizi maphumulo italent eliphuma kwi-community radio iNanda FM nangu uzuzwakala emini okhosini FM uZamazama Magic unayo wawina iWinnie Mahlangu I think okuyokuqala nayo uneshow yakhe esemini exciting so I think that's really is good I'm happy for them
no changes kusigiya ngengoma ubuya unjengoba unjalo so we're not going to go into that one because there are no changes there and then there are no changes with top 20 uma fresh uyabuya so we're not going to go into that one then 3 to 6 ngomgqibelo remind me the name of the show beyadenziwa uSithandwa Nzuza Chillers yes Chillers ebeyadenziwa uSithandwa Nzuza kubuya ilegend yokhozi FM umahamba maqede kudilika izindonga ukhetha uKSG
yes
I used to love that guy imfana wakhulela kwi top 20
yes
no, man
at that time okay KSG like his father when they were young FM they were hot Sipho you know they were really hot so KSG the legend kade ngekho emoyeni for isikhathi eside be responsible for umculo within ukhozi FM so ngiyacabanga ukuthi uyaqhubeka naleyo role kodwa ke uyabuya le show mangaphosisa uke wayenza noma ubeka ibambe ukuthi akaza yenza a couple of seasons ago kodwa ubeka ibambe so uzobuya njengamanje uKSG usezongena Saturdays it's good kuhle ukuzwa ama legend you know umuntu anikezwe legend inikezwe show yodwa there's absolutely nothing wrong with that I have no qualms against that ngiyazi banye bayakhala ukuthi indaba banganikwe talent elisha but I don't think ungablame ukhozi unganike talent elisha njengoba kade sikhuluma nje ngeline up yokhozi so that's exciting
ulihlophe uyabuya so I'm not going to go on into that it's not a new show
I think a number
number then we go to Sunday a new voice for Ukhozi FM not new to radio ubekade kwikhwezi but udume kakhulu manje ngomsebenzi awenza kakhulu kwi social media ngizombiza ngoSomahlaya uMakatha uSimthande Myeza uzongena ngesonto ngo3 ngo12 kuya ku3 ekseni
12 to 3 okay that's exciting
so
I think le combination ngoba siyazi ukuthi uMakatha is a social media influencer uSomahlaya you know she's big on social media kodwa ke umehluko ngaye ukuthi radio wakwayenza before so hayi ukuthi umafika izolo radio ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi kube khona ukukhala ngokuthi sekuthatha ama social media influencers singambaleke singamfaka uMakatha lapho uMakatha iradio uke wayenza and uthema ngabe elibamba uhlelo ngoba ubekhona naye kusiyajika lento ubuyizwe experience ukuthi akuyona into aqalayo ukuyenza le so I'm excited for her
then after that there's Zamazama Magic I don't think we're gonna sesicommentile ngekhono lakhe but asiye laphana I think this is an exciting one for me angazi noma lizoshintsha inikama lalolu hlelo kodwa uhlelo oludume ukuthi ezingasoze zabuna siyalazi kakhulu it's a big show belikade lenziwa uLucky Nkosi before uLucky Nkosi belikade lenziwa uNongcebo before uNongcebo belikade lenziwa uNkosinathi Mshengu. It is a big, big, big show. So congratulations, big, big, big congratulations to you, Siphiwe Sibiya. I'm truly excited for you, but I must say, I've always seen you doing that show. I've always seen you. I don't know why. Hayi ngoba ngumprofit, hayi ngoba ngizoqala itende, uyabona, kodwa bengilibele ngikubona kulola hlelo.
Actually, you called it. Last year, Ukhozi FM luzoshintsha inhlelo, usuqala lento yakho yamahemhem nokuqagula. Waqagula nje wathi wena ngo-2025, 2026 wathi ubungamfaka uSiphiwe laphayana. Kwisizini yakhe yokuqala Ukhozini bangamfaka bamisa ebusuku. Kodwa njengamanje bamfakile. Umlomo uyadala. Siyabonga babujapa. Thana ubabujapa waprofeta. Umlomo uyadala, siyabonga. I'm happy for uSiphiwe. Italente lakhe angilidoubt. uSiphiwe i-radio mina ngimazela eMphungundlovu FM. Isho abeyenza vele isho ecelela kuyona le ezingasoze zabona. Akuyona into ayiqalayo. Umculo oma-slow jams, R&B. Kanti futhi u-DJ odlalayo ey'ndaweni zobumnandi. Udlala wona lo mculo we-R&B and slow jam, and soul. So she's in her element. Ngicabanga ukuthi bamnikeze ishow perfect for yena ngoba i-experience yayo unayo, into ayiphilayo, into ayaziyo. And njengoba nje ewu-DJ uyahamba ey'ndaweni zobumnandi. Uyazi ukuthi abantu imuphi umculo abawuthandayo. Angeke adlale umculo ngoba nakuthandwa uyena. Kodwa uyazi ukuthi imuphi umculo okhuluma nabantu, imuphi umculo abantu abawuthandayo. Ngiyathemba futhi ngiyathemba uSiphiwe ukuthi uzokwazi ukunikeza uPaul a run for his money. Anikeze uMadala Colin Zondo lapha kwiGagasi.
Colin is my friend.
A run for his money. Anikeze uDaviola lapha kuyiVuma FM. A run for his money. Bonke abantu abakuleso slot nje abenza uhlelo oluthi alifane in terms of umculo. I really hope Siphiwe ukuthi you will show them. You will show them what you are made of, because I do not doubt your talent. I'm really excited for you. All the best. I think, honestly, line up your Ukhozi. These are my thoughts wami. Well, before actually ngwasho, asikhulume ngabahambile abangasekho kwi-line up your Ukhozi.
Yeah, I think in closure, kunabantu abahambile kwi-line up yoKhozi, but asiqale sibabongele bonke ngomsebenzi wabo omuhle abawenzile kuKhozi. Firstly, ku-announce officially ukuthi useya kwi-retirement. Ngizothi early retirement from uKhozi. I think he's got other interests kwezinye izinto ngoba he's still young. Umsindazwe uMandla Mdletshe. Oh, how I loved that guy's broadcasting. Oh man, Mr. Golden Voice. Yeah, man. So siyabonga kakhulu. Sikhule sikulalela Msindazwe, and you have done an amazing job with radio. Yeah, your style of presenting was just something else. Then also uSipho Mbatha. Siyabonga, simthulela isigqoko kakhulu uShandu kaNdaba ngomsebenzi omuhle awenzile efika esebenza kuKhozi FM. Ngiyamkhumbula efika kuKhozi FM esenza umgosi, right? Eshuthi lapho wayengakaqashwa, would imagine. Ngiyamkhumbula esefunda indaba uKhozi FM. Ngiyamkhumbula eseproducer uhlelo lantambama iDrive. Ngiyakhumbula ngima lapha ewindini ngikhala ngibabona bexoxa no DJ Sbu and so on. And then ngiyakhumbula eqala manje esenikezwa ke iDrive yoKhozi FM. It was a huge thing ukumbona enikezwe iDrive, and usebenze kwindlela eziningi. And uSipho Mbatha, the one thing I can tell you ukuthi ungumsakazi. Angiqalanga ke mina ukumlalela esekuKhozi as much as ngikhuluma ngomlando wokuKhozi. Ngiqala ukuzwa mina ivoice kaSipho Mbatha ngamuzwa kwiVibe FM. iVibe FM isenza 30 days. That is when I first had i-voice kaSipho Mbatha. I did not meet him eSakwi-Vibe. I've never met him in person because when I joined the Vibe, wayengasekho. But mina ngiqala nje ukumuzwa uSipho Mbatha, ngiqale ukumuzwa esebenza kwi-Vibe. Mr. Understand.
That's what I wanted to say.
Yes,
he was Mr. Understand.
Yes.
I loved Sipho Mbatha ngoba le Vibe nami
Mm.
ngaqala ukuyilalela isenza ama 30 days. I-radio kaSipho.
Yeah.
Loved him. But anyway, ngaqhubeka.
Yeah, then insizwa laphayana ezakhele udumo behind the scenes. Usuke umuntu talented kakhulu ke mawuzakhela udumo behind the scenes. uSipho Dladla. Well done to him. He has done an amazing job. For us to know your name, for the community to know your name, ingoba umsebenzi wakho abasakazi bebenganawo amahloni ngawo. So you have done amazingly well. Awusitshelile ke mfowethu ukuthi uyakuphi. We are hoping ukuthi but you are still within the space of media because italent lakho liyadingakala.
Hayi uthe ubeka ethana uMbombo. But usiya ku private sector, yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
no,
yes,
all right.
yes. No, he did.
All right. Yeah, so but congratulations to him. He worked good 9 to 12 ka Lady D, and you could see ukuthi we pillar yalo lahlelo. We morning show sizwile futhi pillar yalo lo lahlelo. Then mase kuba uLucky Nkosi. uLucky Nkosi has always also been labo basakazi abamatured, because isiteshi siba nabasakazi abahlukahlukene okwazi ukuthi mawulalele lo ulalele indoda ematured. We understand. And uLucky mina ngimlalele edlala umculo engingawona umlandeli wawo okumculo wamakhwaya, but the fact ukuthi bengihlala ngumlaleli, it's because of delivery, because abanye abasakazi uyakwazi ukuthi akubhore ungabe usakwazi ukumlalela ngoba nanale mculo awudlalayo awuthandi, but yena i-content yakhe beyenza ukuthi alaleleke. So siyambongela kakhulu uLucky Nkosi. And then Ayanda Msweli, I know ukuthi he was a contributor, but ube i-contributor ebe ne-impact enkulu.
Ngwenya.
No, akuwona wonke ama-contributors aba ne-impact. U-Ayanda Msweli, there were times, if you do remember, where kwakwenziwa ama-shows abe kwi-poster, ama-comedy shows. He was part of the crew ezobe iyoshaya amahlaya lapho. So it shows you ukuthi kahle hle vele njoba yilapha ka-Metropolis, it was just part of his journey, but that is not where he was destined to be. And even now njoba esephumile emoyeni, he's destined for greater things. Right now, the work that he's doing, simbone respectwa yizwe lonke because of showing his selflessness. So congratulations to these guys I've mentioned. I don't know if I left out anyone.
You did.
Did I?
Yes.
Yes.
King's Fiso.
King's Fiso.
Ubenza 12 to 3.
Yes.
Angamenyezelwanga izingxenye ye-lineup yeGagasi. Siyamazi uKing's Fiso kwiGagasi. Angamenyezelwanga izingxenye ye-lineup yoKhozi. Siyamazi kwiGagasi and umkhulu umsebenzi awenza. Angazi wayisuka kephi ngoba wasegolini ngokomthetho. Wayisuka kuyi not sure.
Okay, I'm not sure about
but
that.
Yes, but kwiGagasi mkhulu umsebenzi awemba, wamba umgodi bashows wakhe abewenza. uKhozi lambona lapha kwiGagasi ukuthi hayi lo muntu angafika value la kuKhozi FM. Futhi wafika kuKhozi waphusha wawenza umsebenzi. Cathi waqala ngama weekends ngaphambi kokuthi bamfake ku 12 to 3. So naye akasekho oKhozi FM, akasayona ingxenye yoKhozi FM. Simfisela konke okuhle and all the best in whatever that he'll be doing in future. We are hoping ukuthi uzovumbuka naye emsakazweni somewhere.
Yeah, I'm also hoping ukuthi King's Fiso uzovumbuka emsakazweni somewhere. He's a very talented
100%
radio presenter, very talented. And also beyond ukuba talented, he's a well-traveled DJ. DJ owaziwayo and oqashwayo ezindaweni eziningi, not just la KZN noma eThekwini, but a very well-traveled DJ. So I know that it's going to be very busy, but he has done amazingly well. Uliphakamisile kakhulu iflag.
100%. But I think it would be remiss of us not to mention this. King Sifiso, mina I'm disappointed ngokuthi uhambile Ukhosini. Let me put that out there. I am disappointed. Into lokuthi ngiphoxeke ingoba italente lakhe angikholwa ukuthi likwazile ukuvikeleka. Lento ngishoyo ngisebenzisa amagama amentionwa uMzo kwi-episode sabanayo naye sixoxa naMzo. Angikholwa italente lakhe kwazile ukuvikeleka ngoba kungenzeka ukuthi lapha ku-12 to 3 ube misplaced in terms of show, or mawuthi akekho misplaced in terms of show, but maybe umuntu uZimdola yena naye i-presentation style yabo ibi-clash. Ba talented bobabili kodwa mhlambe ukubahlanganisa ukuthi babe i-team, maybe it was not a good idea. And maybe that's what management needed to identify and see ukuthi ukubahlanganisa ukuthi babe i-team labantu akuyona bekungayona i-idea e-right from the word go. Mina bengeke ngimdedele ukuthi ahambe kwi-stage ngoba it's a loss to Ukhozi. Bengingamisa kwenye show, be it show yange weekend, ama shows awu-2 wange weekend, ama shows alapha ebusuku, abanye bebemkhomba ukuthi uzokwenza ama-shows yangolele show ebiyenziwe uZindladla, you know, bengawenza lawo ma-shows and awakhulise ngoba he is a modern radio presenter in terms of his presentation style, and abantu abasha they can relate to King Sifiso. So I am disappointed ngokuhamba kwakhe. Bona bonke abantu abahambile Ukhosini FM, mina ukuhamba kaKing Sifiso ngikona kungiphatha kabi kakhulu ngoba angikholwa ukuthi ubile ne-impact abengaba nayo if ube protected enough and ubekwaziwe ukuplacewa ngendlela e-right.
Yeah. No, let's call it a day. It's been a good one. I was just here for my 1,000 and we have spoken so much.
Let me transfer your 1,000. Thank you so much for watching. I think overall, lineup Ukhozi FM is a tight lineup. Not everyone will be happy. Nami khona izinto enganakho ishow ngazo. Sigmentionile kwi-breakfast show, you know, ukuthi there's some hesitations. Kodwa-ke kukona konke sibafisela inhlanhla kubona bonke abantu abamenyezele njenge-lineup kwi-lineup Ukhozi FM. Akuhle ukugxeka ungakamnikezi umuntu ithuba lokuthi ayikhombise ukuthi ubani, ngoba uma ngabe umgxeke engakanikezwe ithuba lokuthi ayikhombise ubani, uma ngabe umjaja with preconceived ideas, asibanike ithuba, asike singagxeki nje, asibanike ithuba sibalalele. Uma usugxeka usulalelile, usuyayazi into okhuluma ngayo. So bonke labantu abamenyezwe nomdoubtayo awumniki ithuba lokuthi ayikhombise ukuthi ubani. Umgxeke usuwazi ukuthi khona into wrong ayenzile, hayi ngalama ideas onawo ungakamniki ithuba. Thank you for watching. This is Podcast Radio and Stuff.
Thank you.